Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Mailchimp application on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Mailchimp application, and if you haven't logged out from your device, you will directly be taken into your home page. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the logout button right away. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. Tap on the OK button to confirm, and now you will be logged out from your account and taken back into the login screen. If you wish to log back in, you will need to enter your username and your password and then tap on the next button. If you cannot log in, then you can tap on the Can't Log In option to gain assistance regarding your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Mailchimp app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.